Going live on multiple platforms doesn't have to be complicated, so today we're going to walk through the easiest way to set it up in OBS using Aitum Multistream. Let's dive in. To download the plugin, go to aitum.tv, go up to Products, and select Multistream. It'll take you to the download page where you can download multi for free. If you want to do multiple different canvases or you want to do vertical streaming, you can download the Stream Suite, but we're going to just download the multi for now. Once you select it, it may prompt you if you want to run anyways. Just go ahead and select it and run through the download and then run the installer. Just ensure that when you do install Aitum Multistream, that OBS is closed when you run the install or it will not install properly. Once you've installed Aitum Multistream and you've opened OBS, we can go up to our docs and you'll see that we have this Aitum Multistream available. So let's go ahead and open that and we can go ahead and click and dock this anywhere we want. I'm just going to put it to the side for now. And before we add multiple outputs, we need to specify what our initial OBS stream is. So let's go ahead and go into our settings and we'll go to stream. And I would highly recommend if you stream to Twitch that would be your built-in stream, because this is the only place where the specific Twitch features actually work, like your VOD stream or enhanced broadcasting. So we'll go ahead and select connect account, and I'll go ahead and sign in with my username and password. And now that I've logged in, I can enable enhanced broadcasting, add VOD tracks, or do whatever else I want to do here. And we'll just go ahead and apply that. And it's going to pull up some of this Twitch stuff, so I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that. And now we can see in our Aitum Multistream doc that Twitch is now our built-in stream, and we can start adding additional platforms. So we can go down to our settings toggle here, and then go to main canvas. Again, if you want vertical canvases, you will want to download the Stream Suite, which adds a vertical canvas, as well as the ability to add multiple other canvases. But we're just going to stick with the main canvas for now. So the first thing we can do is just add output, and it gives us some default platforms that we can go to, as well as the ability to go to other services, like if we wanted to stream to LinkedIn, for example. So let's go ahead and say YouTube is the other one we want to go to. Thankfully, Aitum Multistream makes this very easy. We can actually just find our stream key by going directly to our YouTube creator dashboard. And in this dashboard, I just need to find our stream key here, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy it, go back into OBS, and then I can paste the stream key inside of here and then select create output. And that'll add YouTube as an additional output. And if we select OK, now we have two different places to stream to. And if we toggle this stream button, it'll automatically start streaming our stream here. Now, one important thing to note is in order to stream to anything outside of your built-in stream, you have to start your built-in stream first. Now, this next bit is either an advantage or a drawback, depending on your system and network. But when you use this multi-streaming method, it is taking more resources from both your computer and your network. So make sure you test the settings to use what's best for your system. But we can customize these settings for each platform individually. To do this, we just go to our settings in the Aitum Multistream doc, and then whichever platform we want to modify, we go to Advanced Settings, and then we can change our separate encoder from there and specify any settings that we need. And then select OK, and we're good to go. And that's how you can multi-stream. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you, so leave a comment down below on how you utilize this tool, and if you'd like to see more streaming and OBS tips in the future. We'll see you in the next one.